Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. B A B A Ba Ba G D T Again. Ba G D T. Your turn to read, children. Ba G Ba G Bag Bag. Again. Ba D Ba D Bad Bad. Your turn to read, children. Ba T Ba T Bat Bat. Again. Read and match. Let's read the following words and match it with the correct picture. Are you ready, children? Let's start. Bag. Again. Bag. Where is the bag? That's right. Let's read the next word. Bad. Again. Bad. Which picture shows something bad? That's correct. Let's read the last word. Bat. Again. Bat. Where is the bat? Good job! Let's try to read it again. Bag. Bad. Bat. Ka. Ka. R. T. Again. Ka. R. T. Your turn to read, children. Ka. R. Ka. R. Car. Car. Your turn to read, children. Ka. Ka. Come. Come. Your turn to read, children. Ka. T. Ka. T. Cat. Cat. Your turn to read, children. Read and match. Children, let's read the following words and match it with the correct picture. Are you ready? Let's start. Car. Again. Car. Where is the car? That's correct. Let's read the next word. Come. Again. Come. Where is the come? That's correct. Finally, the last word. Cat. Again. Cat. Where is the cat? That's right. I see a bag. Again, I see a bag. Your turn to read, children. I see a bat. Again, I see a bat. Your turn to read, children. That is bad. Again, that is bad. Your turn to read, children. I see a car. Again, I see a car. Your turn to read, children. I see a comb. Again, I see a comb. Your turn to read, children. I see a cat. Again, I see a cat. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lesson.